Welcome to Local Mechanics USA. Once you've signed in, access your profile details by clicking on your username at the top and selecting Settings. From there, you can easily add or modify any information. If you're ready to create your mechanic profile, simply go to the Account section and click on Add Listing. It's that easy to get started on localmechanics.us. Step 1. Select your category. Step 2. Fill in your name, address, zip code, business information and other necessary details. Click on Save Changes button, which will take you to your category details. Step 3. Upload a profile photo or a logo, and you also need to include a brief description of your services. By adding up your availability times and marking the appropriate boxes to indicate that you accept the terms and conditions and privacy statement. To finish your listing, click the Submit Listing button. Step 4. You can choose a package plan, submit your checkout information, and then click a Place Order. Make sure to click on Terms and Conditions button. That's it. Your mechanic profile is ready. Join our network today and boost your business now. Thanks for watching.